everybody, welcome back to another video here in Greenville, Wisconsin, and today we are going to be opening the car wash after so many years of it being built. It was first built in 2015 and then it was completed in 2017, but it was horrible. So they took it down, rebuilt it, all of that. So let's head on the road right now. Today, we are going to be taking our beautiful let's head on right now. These customers are waiting for me. I mean, look at them. They're toting their car. Excuse me. Sir, you don't work here. Oh my gosh. You don't work here. You don't work here. Get out. Take your car right here. Hi, can I get regular water? Excuse me, there is no toot in your horn. Yes. $sign $50. Alrighty, sir, go in. Amazing. Amazing. We'll just wait for the next customer to arrive. We'll wait for the next customer to arrive. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, here's our next customer. Hi, sir. Wait! Sir. Hi, sir. What can I get for you? Hi, sir. What can I get for you today? On this fine evening. On this fine afternoon. Well, what can I get? What can I get? What can I get for you? Oh. My new is dirty. Okay. $sign 200. Okay, $sign 200. Go in after you pay. Alrighty, sir, you can go in. Alrighty. There we go. Oh my lord, business is booming already. Holy. This is amazing. Amazing work. Amazing work. It's chef's kiss. My word. Guys, I just got a notification for a blizzard coming. I don't believe anything true. 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 We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're just waiting for some customers. Cause it is the grand opening. Opening. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum. We are the usual brothers. We are the usual brothers. We are the usual brothers. My word, where is everyone today? It's like they're out and about. Oh my gosh, there's a plane. My word. My word, you guys. My word, my word, my word. My word. My word. My word. I'm still waiting for some customers. But guys, whoever. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's snowing! It's a snowstorm! Oh my word! It's a snowstorm! Oh my word, I can't see anything! Oh my word! It's a snowstorm! It's a blizzard! Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh my word! I'm losing control! Oh my word! I'm losing control! guys, now that it's season 3, we are doing something called the bloopers. Now, if you don't know what a blooper is like a fail of something. So basically, like, we did have some fails during the like in the making of the video. So let's get those bloopers out right now. Again, oh my god. That is video. I know.
You weren't invited. Yes, you. Because today
God.
we celebrate.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh wait, hold up. Hi sir, how may I help? Hi sir. Excuse me! Excuse me! Get back here!